Hi guys, Mama loves to travel here, and we just got back from the beautiful Dreams Dominicus where we were spoiled rotten. The staff there just go above and beyond to try to make your vacation the best it could possibly be, and we had so much fun. While we were there, I was posting a lot on Instagram, and especially on Instagram stories, and I was getting asked a lot about the different room types that they have. And so I decided, I have the time. I went ahead and did a few extra room tours, not just our room, but the other rooms that they had, so that you can see which kind of room you think would fit your needs better. In a few minutes, you're going to be viewing a Deluxe Suite Tropical View. Please keep in mind that this is non-preferred. This is a non-preferred Deluxe Suite Tropical View. Also, after the room tour, please stay around because I do have a couple things that I might want to clarify after the room tour. So when you first walk in, to your right is the bathroom. Hi. And right here is your shower area. Very spacious, and you have your shower gel, shampoo and soap, towel, and if you look up there is a line to dry your clothes. On this side is the sink that has the incense, more towels. There's always bottled water because you'd want to brush your teeth with bottled water. Like it says, don't drink. So before I forget, this is a non-preferred tropical deluxe room. Normally, it does not have a sunscreen lotion or mosquito repellent, but they told me that upon request, you can ask for that. So keep that in mind. Down below you have your towels, hair dryer, and of course a weighing scale. Now let's take a look outside. When you come outside, there's a big beautiful bear because whenever you go out, you want to make sure you look your best, right? Over here is for your coffee, and again, more bottled water. Everywhere you go, there's so much bottled water here, you don't have to worry about that. Down below is your mini fridge, and it is restocked daily regardless if you are preferred or non-preferred. Okay, so this one had alcohol. Our room, we said no alcohol please, and they were very quick to oblige to that. This is a king-size bed, 2 bathrobes, 2 slippers, a big area for waiting. And oh, okay, I get asked this question a lot. What is a tropical view? What kind of a view do you have? So this particular one, that is the view for the tropical view. You have more seating here, lots more storage space, big screen TV, and on this side is your closet with a laundry bag, hangers, umbrella just in case it's raining because you are in the tropics, right? And on this side you have the safe and more storage space. Up above you have extra blankets. And that, my friends, is the non-preferred tropical view, deluxe tropical view. So just one quick clarification. For this particular resort, when you see the word suite, it means it has a king-size bed and a separate sofa area, sofa/living room area. If it does not have the word suite in it, so it just says something like Deluxe Tropical View, then it means it has 2 double beds. As always, thank you so much for following along. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write them down below, and I'll be sure to read them and answer them and get back to you as soon as I can. And like my mom always says, happy trip!